If you're experiencing high ping issues while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wired connections tend to be more stable and have lower latency compared to Wi-Fi, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes downloads, streaming services, and other online activities that can affect your connection. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region to one that is closer to your physical location. Connecting to a server that is geographically closer can help lower your ping. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal gaming performance. This may include enabling quality of service cut settings to prioritize gaming traffic or adjusting NTU settings. Consult your router's manual for specific instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce your ping and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Red Dead Redemption 2. If issues persist, consider reaching out to your ISP or checking for any ongoing server issues.